Our main research line try to study aggressive behavior in elementary school, children especially. We have a multi-informant perspective, and we try to adopt a perspective that includes different aspects of psychology, like developmental, personality, psychobiology, and methodological aspects.
Conduct problems are highly prevalent in childhood and confer risk to mental and physical health problems. Also, they increase vulnerability to criminal and antisocial behavior, so ignoring them represents a high cost for society. Our team will contribute to a better understanding of aggressive behavior that is a transdiagnostic marker related to different maladaptive traits.
We would like to study how aggressive behavior develops in girls and boys from elementary school. We would also like to study the instinct associations with endocrine, cognitive, socio-emotional, and temperamental correlates, and also the relationships with mental health and academic achievement.